You ready to get out of town? We wanted to see about getting him to Santa Rosa
This would be for tomorrow.
as soon as possible.
That's what we have.
Okay.
Train only runs once a day.
Okay.
And here's your ticket.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're gonna have to get you another duffel bag.
Those are 13.
Okay, dude. New boots. Let's get all this stuff situated. What do you say? Tonight's gonna be a good night for you. I got you a room.
Room where?
Circus Circus.
What? Seriously?
Yep.
Oh, hell no. What? Dude!
Ready, dude?
Check this out.
Your coffee in the morning.
Oh, no.
Get some good rest tonight, dude. What's up, buddy? All right, man. I'm gonna go.